In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to use your own custom photo as the background of your watch face on the Redmi Watch 4. So for this one, you're going to have to go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone. So launch it and then tap on device and make sure the device that's active is your Redmi Watch 4. So tap on watch faces and that should open your watch faces. You have online and local. Now local basically means the watch faces that are already on the watch. Online means everything else. Okay, so what you want to do is look for the custom section. Now on iPhone it's gonna be here. For Android users, custom might be somewhere here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select custom. That's going to give me the custom category. Basically on all these watch faces, I can add my own custom photo as a background. So let me try this one for instance. So I'll select it and then the first thing I need to do is apply. That's basically going to apply the watch face to the watch. Now with the watch face applied, you can now come here and tap on this plus symbol. And that's going to ask for access to your gallery if it's the first time. So once you grant access, you can now pick a photo from your phone's gallery and use it. So let me pick this one of my car's rim, for instance. So I'm just gonna align it the way I want it, exactly the way I want it to appear on the watch, and then tap OK. And then tap on applied. So just give it time. It's currently customizing the watch face on the watch. So once it's done, you should see your own custom photo as the watch face background on the Redmi Watch 4. Now if you want to, you can actually select more than one photo. You can select up to, I'm not sure if it's 4 or 8 photos, and those photos will just keep cycling around. Okay, so it'll just keep, every time you turn on the screen, it's going to be a different photo. So thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.